A very good morning to all the lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and you are staying at home. We will be continuing the chapter 14 rupees and paise. Children, in previous video I taught you the conversion of rupees into paise, right? Today we will continue the next topic, conversion of paise into rupees. So let's start. To convert paise into rupees, we put a point before two digits from the right of the given number showing paise. That means the number formed by ones and tens digit give the paise and remaining number gives the rupees. Let's understand this with the help of few examples. Let's look at the first example. Convert 340 paise into rupees. Children, as we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So one method is to divide this number by 100. But today I will teach you a very easy method. First of all, write down this amount and we put symbol of rupees. Okay, so this amount I have written. Now we have to put a point before two digits from the right. In the right hand side, the first number is 0 and the next number is 4. So we will put a point before two digits. So now what we read, and also we will put a symbol. So 340 paise is equal to 3 rupees and 40 paise, right? Let's see the one more example. Convert 7050 paise into rupees. Okay, so again we will write down the number, that is 7050. So to convert into rupees, what we do, children? We put point before two digits from right hand side, right? So 1 and 2. So we put dot before 5 and then we put here symbol of rupee. So we can say here 70 rupees and 50 paise. So children, you know very well, after dot we say paise and before dot we say rupees. Let's see another example. Convert 5 paise into rupees. Okay. First of all, children, we will write down the amount, that is 5 paise. Okay. We know that to convert paise into rupees, we will put dot before two digits. But here we have only one digit. So what we should do? To make two digit, we will put 0 before 5. Okay. Now we have two digit 0 and 5. So we will put a point before 0. Okay. And then one more 0 we put, and then after we put here symbol of rupees. So our answer is 0 rupees and 5 paise. Okay. Now the children, it's your turn to solve these three questions. So convert 675 paise into rupees. You will do the answer here. And question E also. Same process you have to apply. Student, I hope you have understood how to convert paise into rupees. With this we have come to the end of the chapter. On Monday I will give you some written work. Till then, have a great day.